everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. We're going to look again here at Cardano, seeing what's going on, helping understand, again, best practice and big picture for this coin. We're going to look at some back-end data too, just kind of see where we're at with liquidation levels, because it's important to kind of understand where that's trending now. There is some interesting data here. The 12-hour time frame can get a little funky. Let's look at the 7-day time frame here and kind of get a little perspective and see what's going on. So we got a ton of liquidation at the lower levels here at about 55.5, and of course upper levels at 68 cents. So we're kind of right in the middle of that range. So this doesn't tell us a heck of a lot, but it does imply that there's a lot more shorting prowess now than there was before at that 68 cent mark. So we're going to see kind of what that looks like on the charts. There was a pretty big wick there that did leave a lot of liquidity here. Okay, so keep in mind, a decent chance we're going to be able to see the price return to that level. However, let's go ahead and look at the daily time frame and work our way down, and just know if you are new to the channel, welcome aboard. I love teaching people to trade. Hope you can learn something today. You do want to become a better trader. Again, cryptocash.tech is a site. I've got a trading university, of course, as well as some trade signals, and we've taken some nice healthy profits here recently. If you take a look at Chainlink, good 32% in 5 hours from yesterday's swing trade. Previously, SKL, 4 days, 153%. ARB 125, OP 143, Matic 102. That was just yesterday, as a matter of fact. So awesome stuff there. Pretty much killing it. So I appreciate the fantastic feedback. Glad it's working well for you. Obviously, if you have questions regarding that, jump on over to our website. There's a questions section there, or just get to know me on our Discord, Telegram, or Twitter. So when it comes to Cardano, let's look at this here. Daily time frame still above the moving averages. This is good. A lot of coins have lost the 20-day SMA, and that's just kind of letting us know we're still on the right side of the tracks. Okay. So ultimately, we want to be above that to have confirmation, or just a green light, so to speak, for long positions. Not to say it changes instantly as soon as you go below that, but it is important to be above regardless. Okay, taking a look at the RSI, looking pretty nice. There's really no downside here. Stochastic swing to the upside. We also have RSI and money flow index kind of in that sweet spot there between 50 and 70. I'm not saying that's like a perfect situation, but it is good to kind of be in that bullish side of things versus the bearish side of things. Okay, so again, we're basically just confirming that we have bullish tendencies on the daily time frame. Okay, 4-hour time frame. We were right smack dab, kind of in the middle of that. Well, actually just above, if you will, but this candlestick still has 2 hours to close, so a little premature, but we're above all 4 moving averages. That's a positive sign. We can see stochastic RSI is swinging down, but we're getting a tentative bounce off 50 on the RSI. That's a positive sign as well. Not the greatest even still, though, because money flow index is coming down, traveling behind. We want the MFI to actually be lower when we bounce off 50. Otherwise, that's usually not that strong of a bounce. So I'm a little concerned that the price may not recover as quick as we want it to. We did lose this support level here at about 62.6. That was a previous resistance based on daily candlestick close and 0.618 fib level. So those are also important to recognize. And the fact that we have a MACD divergence forming, all things kind of shifting from bullish to bearish. Now, again, we're still maintaining above this volume profile. That's extremely important. So maintaining this level for the next couple of days, or just say 12, 24 hours, we'd probably be in good shape to take a long confidently at that point. But we want to look at other factors at the time, of course. Don't just jump in blindly, but I think we're looking not terrible, but still not great. And when I see stuff like that, honestly, I just don't even bother to take a trade. I don't feel confident taking that. Now, again, hourly time frame, different story. We're kind of maintaining here at the 62.5 mark, which is good. TD sequential came down to a 6 or a 7, got a little reset there. That's all well and good. But this is where things get pretty interesting, and this is where I don't really truly love to trade. Because again, even though we're still above the cloud, this is all nice, right? All good. We're probably soon to travel within. So unless the price can do one of these, we're not going to have confirmation with even the lagging span that we're free and clear. So we're not going to really get a good confirming signal for a long position. That, on top of the conversion line being below the baseline, tells us we have momentum to the downside still, and that even though a recovery could happen, it's still less likely, and you never want to buy or try to catch a falling knife, so to speak. Yeah, I know you're probably thinking, oh, it just bounced off volume support. What do you mean? What's going on? That doesn't necessarily mean it's going to continue. Okay, so again, to me, when I see this kind of stuff traveling into the cloud, a lot of coins are performing similar to this. AVAX is actually doing terrible right now. What was it? I think it was Chainlink, as a matter of fact. Just covered that one. That one's looking very similar here. Even though we took nice profit recently, we might want to wait for another position. Okay, again, the emphasis I like to kind of emphasize is to be patient and to wait for good opportunities. Try not to force a trade. There's a reason why I might wait 2 or 3 days to take a trade. Okay. Other days, I'll send 3 or 4 signals. You got to wait for confirmation, folks. That's all there is to it. And I make it sound easy. I know it's not as easy as I make it sound, but The truth is, things get better if you pump the brakes, you be patient, and you wait for confirmation. And try to look at it this way. When you're taking a trade, look for reasons not to take a trade instead of reasons to take a trade. If you're convincing yourself to take a trade, you're doing it wrong, okay? Just some friendly advice there. It's worked very well for me. I analyze 30, 40, 50 charts a day, okay? I might find one or good opportunities tops, and those are ones that I kind of hesitate and wait on too till I get confirmation. I recommend waiting as much as you can. The thing you shouldn't wait on, though, of course, and this is time sensitive, is this Bitunix phenomenal exchange, no KYC or VPN required. This bonus is effectively only available until 12/31. So make sure you check that out. Link down below. Use my link to register, of course, to ensure that you benefit from this exclusive offer. And we look forward to working with you either way. Jump on over to our Discord, Twitter, or Telegram. Look forward to getting to know you better. Have a good rest of your day. Thanks again.